Today we're doing something fun. We're going to be making this sweet little Halloween boo wall hanging. Stay tuned. And don't forget to take a screenshot of today's project details. On a 6-inch wooden dowel, we're going to attach all 11 cords using a lark's head knot. So that's 1 down, 10 more to go. Alrighty, so our first row is all gray. And I like to work with about 120 inch in length of our gray yarn. But don't worry too much about the length because once we run out, we can always attach more. Alright, so we're going to attach our yarn using a vertical double half hitch knot. If you feel like I'm going too fast for you, feel free to slow down the speed of this video by tapping the 3 dots on the top right corner. Or feel free to check out my knot tutorial playlist. I'll link it in the cards above. However, if you're a trooper, I'll demonstrate how to make this vertical double half hitch knot one more time. Place your yarn behind your filler cord, make a loop on your right and wrap it around and through the loop. Then repeat the process one more time, make a loop on your right, wrap your cord around and through the loop. And that is how you make a vertical double half hitch knot. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this row. Okay, so now that we did our first row, we have to go back in the opposite direction. To do this, it's the same as before, only our cord will be on the left now. So make a loop on your left, wrap your cord around and through the loop. Then repeat one more time to complete your knot. Just always remember that your yarn and your loop will always be on the side of the direction that you're going. Okay, so now we have to add a new color. To do this, we just grab our black yarn and we're going to tie our vertical double half hitch just like we did at the very start of our pattern. And if we ever run out of yarn, this is the exact same way that we're going to attach a new strand. So now we need to switch back to the gray. So all we have to do is lift up our working cords and run our gray cord all the way through the back. Place our gray cord over top of the black and then carry on tying our vertical double half hitch knots. So I'm going to go ahead and carry on with our pattern and I'll show you what to do when we're finished. Alrighty, wow, doesn't he look fantastic? Okay, so let's flip him over and it's time to clean up the mess on the back. To do this, all I do is grab a couple of strands and I tie a double overhand knot. Then just snip off the excess yarn. Once we have the back all cleaned up, it's time to trim the fringe. And you can leave it as short or long as you like. I did mine at about 2 inches in length. If you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, here is a skull tutorial I think you might enjoy. I'll see you over there.